Hello champs! I know you have trouble to draw eyes. I know you are drawing one side of the face with the right eye and the other side with, let's say, a creepy eye. Why is this happening? Well, you can learn today how to improve your eyes and make beautiful eyelashes and make beautiful reflections and sparkles and glitter and everything. Well, only here on this tutorial, so leave a like and subscribe for more. Everything starts with the circle of life. Simba! It's the circle of life. And inside that circle, there's a smaller circle. Did you know that? Yeah, there is a smaller circle, and that circle it's black. Wow. Yeah. And also, talking about the eyelashes, did you see? I'm going to make so many jokes with eyes. Did you see that the eyelashes, the format is like a C, the C letter? Oh, you don't see? I can show you how to see the C. I'm rotating here. I finished rotating, okay? And I'm going to do a C. See me doing the C, okay? It's the letter C, okay? A little bit open, but it's the letter C. People don't notice that the C is here. So just force that C even more. Also, here it goes like, whoa, I got bigger eyelashes because I'm so fashion, you know, fashion. And here you do one by one. And here, keep doing the eyelashes. Don't do each one just like this. Don't do it, okay? Don't do it. Why? Because sometimes in life they are going to get together. Why? Because they are family. You cannot separate them. Do you see this? They are family. All of those here are together. We are family. We are Ohana. Do you see this? They are all Ohana. So that's why some of the eyelashes are going to get together. Okay? In life, nothing is that separated. And here we are going to close. But not like this. Please don't. You don't. Okay? I believe in you that you're not going to do this. This is not a doggo. You don't do something on this side. No, it's not a doggo. It's a human, okay? Let's go. You just close it right here, okay? Yeah, right here. Good. You are doing it. And you push. And you pull. Yeah, pull. And just stretch a little bit here down. And also here where the eyelashes stop appearing, you start making the part that you clean every morning after you wake up. Did you ever notice that it's bending exactly with the size of the sclera, all this white part of this egg? Did you know that this egg goes like inside and is like this size? This egg right here, call it sclera, the white part. Yes, it goes like this. Let me, yeah, like this. And it's exactly where top lid is going to bend. And here, we're going to make this little ball here look bigger by just making like a silhouette around it. And here there are some small curvatures because the eye is not anime, okay? Okay, let's go. I'm going to do those anime boys' eye. A more serious eye. I'm going to follow the same logic, okay? goes down to one side, okay? It goes really down into more to one side. And here, it stretches like this. Here, mostly a triangle. Going up, going down. On wolves, dogs, tigers, these animals, you just cannot see the white area of the eye. You cannot see. If I remember, it is a way so the prey don't know exactly to where the predator is looking. Here it's pretty simple. Remember the same step on human. The circle, okay. Then the pupil, and then the format. Remember that here we did like a more open C? It was an open C. Here it's going to be a really closed C. Look at this, look at this. You just paint black all of this area, all of it. On humans, we tend to make like the blending, the meat bending. But here, they got fur. Yes, they got fur. So we are going to do fur following the movement of the eye. What is the movement of the eye? This is the movement of the eye, okay? Remember, it's opening and closing. Open, close. So this is the direction. Picking here, this color, applying up here, up here, up here, and the middle. And now we're going to pick our beautiful soft light mode. Applying it right here. Looks like the eye is shining and we love it. You see it? Shining. And apply it on the eyelashes. The color start to mix with everything. And it's really good. And here, just make it brighter. Because we want to make colors pop. And here in this beautiful blue, we are going to change this blue, the hue. We are going to rotate, pick a brighter one and saturate it and put it right here. Do you remember that you can do reflection in the eyes? No, I'm not talking about the sparkles. I'm talking about top tire reflection. Do you know it? It's like this. You select an area like this. A triangle. Yes. Now you just pick this strong and bright color. Yes! stretching out of the pupil, okay? We are like stretching everything out of the pupil. And let's start making the pupil dark as freak, bro. I have never seen such a dark pupil before. Also here, we're going to make like a line right here of darkness, okay? There's some meat going on here. Do you see this? And this is what we need to do, that meat. Let's do that meat, but first we need to just put some things in the right place, okay? Because this eye needs more depth. That's what is missing here, depth. Yes, it's missing a lot of depth. If you pull inside of the eye to outside, it's still going to look so badass. People do it, artists do it, and it looks so good. Also, something that you can add, pick this white right here, and make a movement exactly just like the eyelashes, right here, just like the eyelashes. Okay, I'm going to use a textured brush, and this textured brush is going to be from, you know, yeah, Sergey Kolesov. Where is it? It's one of these two. Probably you. Yeah. I'm going to do like small pores. Pores. add some blue colors and warm colors. Cool and warm colors here. Why? It's going to turn your artworks with so much variety. That's what I was doing right now. And not only that, but I'm also showing that here you need to make the movement of the fur. The movement of the fur is extremely important because while you are doing that movement, you need to focus that the eye is the focal point. And if that's the focal point, everything is coming from that. Everything, all the fur is coming from there. Do you know how important that is? Oh yeah. Do you see that I'm doing some small fur? Because close to this area here, close to any of these areas around the eye, it is smaller. It's closer to the eye. How could we want that to be big? It cannot be big. It's close to the eye. Imagine getting inside of the eye. We don't want that.